You hear it all the time. We used to build things in this country. At Related Digital, we still do. Our work spans the entire nation, building not just for America, but by America and in America. At our Michigan data center, we're sourcing the best materials and equipment from across the country. Michigan concrete, New York steel, Texas switchgear, Arkansas air cooling systems, Wisconsin generators, and that's just the beginning. We're investing more than $5 billion in American companies and contractors, re-energizing manufacturing across our country and creating thousands of American jobs. We're working to ensure America wins the innovation race, creating something we can all be proud of and all be a part of. Related Digital. Investing in American innovation.